DIY whack-a-mole. Insert the small buckle into the wooden piece. Splice the gopher boards with wooden chips and fix them with 7mm screws. Pass the iron shaft through the bushings, wooden pieces, and bushings in sequence. Properly adjust the distance between the 3 wooden pieces. Assemble the wooden board bracket. Note that the bottom plate has lines. Fix the gopher component to the base plate. The distance between the mole boards needs to be fine-tuned so that the boards are aligned with the lines on the bottom plate. Insert the main gear into the wooden pieces. Tools can be used to assist in pressing the main gear. At this time, the wooden chip is stuck in the middle of the main gear. Insert the assembled cam components into the long iron shafts one by one. Pay attention to leaving one end of the iron shaft slightly longer. Thread the shorter end of the iron shaft through the side panels without a pattern. Then use a shaft sleeve for limiting outside. Install the assembled side panel components on the base. Fine-tune the distance between the cam on the long iron shaft and the groundhog wooden board on the short iron shaft. Enable the two to come into one-to-one contact. Shake the long iron shaft and test to make it rotate flexibly so that the mole pops up. Thread another pattern side panel onto the iron shaft and fix it to the base plate. At this time, fine-tune the distance of the wooden board again to ensure proper alignment up and down. Finally, the outer side is limited by the shaft sleeve. Rotate the iron shaft and test it. Assemble the other 2 wooden boards as well. Assemble the crank handle. The leading shaft is inserted into the rocker, using the shaft sleeve wire position. Install the assembled crank on the iron shaft. Cover the top wooden board over it. Rotate the crank in the direction indicated by the arrow on the side panel for testing. If the gopher can bounce flexibly, then fix the top plate again. Assemble a wooden hammer. Assembly completed. Test by shaking the crank in the direction indicated by the arrow on the side panel.